Subukan mo.
Math.
Math.
5 plus 4.
7. Teka. Teka muna, ba't ka tumawa?
Akala ko kasi di mo alam.
Welcome back to the channel. It's Arthur here. So yesterday was super wholesome and packed with good food, good vibes, and great company. Let me take through how our day went. Our first stop was Ilaw at Ibapa. Yes, Batasan area was glowing. The lights were absolutely beautiful. Parang festival vibes talaga. It was a perfect spot to just unwind with the fam, take pictures, and enjoy the cool night breeze. Kung gusto mo ng budget-friendly, pasyal with Instagram worthy shots. Ilaw at BP. B as in boy, P as in pakpak. It's a great option. Scene 2, travel to Clark. After enjoying the lights, we drove to Clark, Pampanga to attend a special family reunion. This time with my brother-in-law's side of the family. We arrived at this super chill and classy restaurant called Goji Restaurant. If you haven't been there, lagpas lang sa SM Clark. It's worth checking out. Goji Restaurant really impressed me. The ambience is cozy. The food options were wide. May Japanese, Filipino at iba pa. And of course, sulit ang bonding with extended family. Seeing everyone reconnect, sharing stories and laughter over a great meal. These are the moments that matter most. Big thanks to Kuya and the fam for inviting us. It was truly a night to remember. And that's wraps up our day! Ilaw at BP for some peace and beauty, followed by a warm and a healthy reunion at Goji. Hope you enjoy coming along. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys, for more chill family vlogs and life updates. Let me know if you want. Let me know, comment below kung saan kayo huling nag-reunion with family. Baka may ma-feature pa tayo next. And you guys are invited to my wedding. Ilaw at Ibapa. Nandito po kami sa Ilaw at Ibapa. Ganda pala yung mga dito. Shout out to the Honda. Shout out to the Ilaw at Ibapa. Tsaka shout out to the Toyota Laos. Oh yeah, Laos. There you go. Car World Pampanga. Shout out to the Laos group. BPI. Itlog ni Kuya. Everything na yan. Shout out to here. Mata tayo. Kasi mga sa
Last year pumunta tayo dito. Naalala mo? Hindi mo alala? Last year pumunta tayo dito.
Oh, para mag-perfect. Takot din na.
Hot din.
Nabi yung Swiss Hotel Hotel. Alang Swiss Hotel, guys.
Oh, shucks. Uy, nakalimutan natin yung ano.
Mga dami na candy. Candy.
Mamaya na lang. Pagkatapos na lang kumain.
Walang ganito tayo siya, ma.
Kasi the same thing naman yung parking, di ba? Kasi mamaya na lang. Parang hindi natin bit-bit-bit.
Yan po yung Chinese restaurant. Washing.
Sarado pa yan dahil.
Ito po, Marriott Hotel. Lounge, everything. Ay, chandelier. The dance. Uy, may wedding.
Wala.
May wedding.
Pabaya. Malgot.
ATM. This is a coffee place. All the way around. Storage. Cafe espresso.
Close pa siya magbubukas sa 5:30.
Dress code. Experience for all guests. Rooms, yeah. Gucci, lahat dito guys. Pumunta dito sa Gucci guys. They have wine. That is first. You wanna buy flowers. Frequent tables. Everything there. I'm regulated okay guys. Kain na guys. Tara na daw. Uy! Wine na. Dada, strawberry. Alright. Perfect sa wedding day dito. Mga supot. Gusto niya bata. Salads. Kala ko ano po. Ito sa baby. Yung pala. Kalabasa. Kalabasa siya? Kala ko. Ulo ng ano. Baby. I'm making a food right now, guys. Let's go!
Mas kilo ka rin, sige. Mas kinano ka rin.
Saan pa tayo?
Kasya tayo naman eh. Hindi na, dua? Oo. Okay. Inong... Gawin tayo. Mas kilo ka rin. Hindi tayo na. Dahil dito tayo.
Ano pa?
Any sushi? Yep. Go! Right naman. Ubusin na. Need to start. Pero pagkakain ka ng ano, sushi. So, ito mo na. yung ano nyo? CR?
Paglabas po sir, left side po.
Ah, labas. Okay. CR. So, saan pa tayo?
Ito isa, tsaka ito.
So guys, we're gonna go. So, update ko later.
Thanks for watching.
Let's do this. Guys, please subscribe the channel, please, and like the button.